What up, fam? We had the Alpharev. We've already tested it. It worked earlier. Hopefully Mr. Duck won't mind. There's so much stuff in this water that I don't want to mess with. Okay, we got tops out at 20. This model was actually busted when I got it. The main prop was in good shape, and the two props on the side that don't let the props get touched really, because they're there. Those props were good, but the propeller was snapped, and the whoa. But the propeller was snapped, and there was something else. Maybe it was one of the side props that I changed. I'm not sure. I forget. I'd have to take a look at it. Tops out at 20 apparently, they say. I've got the steering a little bit off to the left, so that I can take sharper turns one way and looser turns the other way. Cause it'll go on a dime if you off center that steering. It's how it was when I got it. I left it that way. I tend to like it that way, so I haven't tried it any other way yet. It reminds me of the ones at Six Flags, man. They're a little bit smaller, maybe a little faster too. But if you've done this at Six Flags, that's pretty much what you're getting into. Heavy Six Flags vibes with one of these. Supposed to rain in 2 or 3 hours. Sun's still trying to peek through, but this is my second time out here today. I got 2 batteries. I'm gonna run both batteries if I can. I've yet to deplete a battery. But one of these batteries didn't get fully charged, so we'll see which one goes out. The rotors, you know, the motor and the rotors and the rudders or whatever, all those plastic parts add up on Amazon because you're paying shipping for each individual order. And they're right when they say you can pretty much go gun it and wide open all the time, no reason not to. The only time, because this pond is really low on water. It's like probably not even a full foot of water, maybe about a foot in some spots. I've scraped bottom at least once. I'll admit the boat looks smaller on the water than it does in the case. The R308, they got the minis. You can get 2 minis in one case, or you can get 2 R308s, Alpharevs. Also, I think it's draining juice because I had the lights on, which I shouldn't have had the lights on. No reason to have those on. I want to take it off over there, see how far it'll go. Seems to go as far as you want it to. It just hit something, I think. Something happened. I think we might have hit the propeller, guys. Or seaweed or something. Tell me that propeller came loose. Looks to be in good shape. Anyways, that was the first go. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Here's the next one. I'm gonna peace out, and well, peace.